Hello from the Louisville Car Barn and downtown Mineral Wells, Texas. Downtown beautiful Mineral Wells, Texas actually. Right down the street from the Baker Hotel, under the Crazy Water sign. And if you come by at night, you'll see we got Ready Kilowatt blazing out front, so we're easy to find. Stop by and see us. Today we're going to talk about this beautiful Boss 351 that was found in our 4-car barn find in Alabama. We'll show you a few pictures of it at the end, and we're going to tell a little bit about it. Now, this car is what started the whole mess. A friend of mine advised a gentleman, Mr. McLeod from Flint, Michigan, that I might be a good candidate to buy a Boss 351. They thought there was one in his brother's pole barn behind his mother's house in Alabama. They weren't sure what was there. And when I got there and we opened up the barn, it was full of cars. There was 4 high-performance cars, a 69 Boss 302, a 67 Shelby GT500, a 69 Boss 429, and this Boss 351. I bought all 4 cars. We're leaving the Boss 302 as a survivor. The Shelby will actually be showing in a subsequent video in a few weeks because it's finished now. And this is the Boss 351 that we found. It was completely numbers matching, almost untouched. It's a white car with a red standard interior. It's a striking car. We're going to post some pictures of it. Here's a few pictures of the day we found it and we loaded it up and got it back to Mineral Wells. It was a terribly hot and difficult situation there. I kind of drug up and had to call for support, and Tommy and some of his guys come and got the cars. Now, the interesting thing about these cars is the owner's brother who helped me with the deal didn't really know what was in the barn until he got there, and it was a dramatic experience. And there was a ton of crap in the way we had to move. And it turned out that this car restored beautifully. Thanks to Jason in Hereford, Texas. Appreciate that very much. Jason White helped me with this car. We were overloaded at the time, and he was good enough to help me, and he did a great job on this car. Now, this is one you're going to see on display at the Louisville Car Barn. I hope you'll come by. And remember that we found this car in July of 23. So we fast-tracked this one in the Shelby through because white Boss 351 in this condition, 67 GT500 warrants it. And we wanted to do something a little different. Come by and see us. We hope to see you at the Louisville Car Barn. We're going to post some still shots of this picture and a few pictures of it when we found it. I hope you'll come by and see it. Come on over. We'll go for a ride. Pick a good day. Call in advance. That's all from the Louisville Car Barn, Mineral Wells, Texas. See you later.